Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Liliana for those who are new here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this a beautiful ombre cake with a cell cake topper. So if you guys want to learn how to make this technique, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Without further ado, let's get to it. So this is how I made this beautiful cake. The technique for this cake is not the smooth out ombre effect. It's more like you see the colors. So what I do is I start by really doing my dark color, and then I add white buttercream to lighten it up, and then I go around and then I just scrape it off. I will do a video in the future where everything is like blended out and you don't see the actual lines. But this is just a technique that I wanted to show you. Just don't come after me, because I know many of you guys are gonna be like, no, but we see the lines. Yes, it's done on purpose for that particular video. But in the future, I will show you a more blended effect. And for the cell cake topper, again, I've been using Isomalt. I love Isomalt. Isomalt comes in various ways. You can have it in powder, you can have it in crystal, you can have it in cubes. There's different ways of melting it. Again, in all my videos, I say it, do not touch the product once it's melted. Very dangerous. You will burn yourself. So you just take a pot, any amount that you want. It's not a specific amount that you need. You put it on medium low, and then you just put it inside your pot and you stir it until it melts, and then it's ready to go. You can use it on your silicone sheet. Very important to use it on silicone sheet, because or else you're just gonna burn your counter or whatever you have to mold it. Once your Isomalt is on your silicone sheet, you can go ahead and put it on whatever bottle that you have or glass, and then you clip it and then you leave it there until it's completely dry. I would highly suggest for you to use protective gloves if you're not used to it, even if you're used to it. And a lot of people were saying, why is mine cracking? Well, it might be cracking because you're putting a really thin layer. It has to be quite thick. If it's too thin, obviously it's gonna break. And what else? You guys were asking me, can it go in the fridge? Yes, it can go in the fridge. Sometimes I have tendency, especially with the one that you're using or the one that you bought, to become foggy or even sticky. It is a sugar-based product, so it will be sticky anyway. I normally, how I do it is I always do my Isomalt last minute, and then I put it on the cake. When I say last minute, the day before, and then I put it on the cake. But because I do find that if you put it in the fridge, it will be a little bit foggy, or you won't have that crystal look to it. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, again, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.